Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome to another episode of my Hitman Absolution Let's Play. In this episode, we are continuing the hunt, tracking down Sherriff Skurky, taking him out on our way to tracking down Dexter.
God damn it. It's typical. Just typical. I'm on it.
So yeah, after breaking into the jail, we were captured by Sherriff Skurky. So now we need to break out and find him. This is the last mission in the game that's, really sort of just a sneak from point A to point B level. From here on out, after this we're into the end game, and things ramp up, and the last set of missions are all interesting and good. So yeah. But yeah, so we start by breaking out of prison and getting a cop disguise.
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just a sarge. You look very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right?
And we're gonna choke out, these other cops on the way out. They were using the vents to sneak through to the next part of the jail.
Every year at the whole fair, we have to haul your fucking ass.
Yeah, wait for this cop to turn his back on us and walk away, and then we can come out of the vent. We can choke him out. There, we just hide the body, yeah. While I'm here, decide to pick up the rifle. And before we can leave, we need to make sure to pick up our silver ballers.
But it's every 30 minutes or so. It kept me up all night. And it's right before fair day, too. I'm trying to win a goldfish.
So yeah, I'm going to use instinct to sneak through this last little bit and make it out of the jail. There, now we're outside, and we see now Sherriff Skurky is on the run, and he's being chased by the ICA. The ICA, Travis and the rest of the ICA have figured out that he has captured Victoria, so they are searching for Victoria as well. So now it's a race. We want to get to Sherriff Skurky before the ICA does.
Command, just heard a strange noise. I'm gonna check it out. Please stand by.
So using the bottle of distraction to lure this ICA soldier over here. We'll knock him out.
Who's there? Ah.
And once again, we'll hide the body and grab the disguise.
Sentry posts here, and here. 4 teams sweeping the building throughout sectors.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait here for this guy to turn around. Yep, and then I can head over this way.
Don't underestimate this one.
I'm just gonna crouch low to hide behind cover. Across the street to avoid getting spotted. And now I'm just going to use instinct. We're getting close to the end of this section of the level. So I'm just going to use instinct to blend in and get through this part quickly. And they start to spot me, but then I was able to crouch and break line of sight. So there we go. Yeah, it's not really clear why the ICA feels like they need to use this much force to try and kill or capture one sheriff. It does seem like a lot of overkill. You're using instinct to blend to get past these guards. Climb up here, walk along the railing. I'm gonna pause here for a little bit and wait for the right opportunity. Yep, when that other guard has his back to me, I'm gonna drop down and move back through here. Wait for this guard to move on ahead and then I can walk behind him. Here again, I'm just going to use instinct. I'm close to the end of the level now, so I'm just going to use up my instinct. While I'm walking by, there's some evidence there I could have picked up, but that'd be risky. You know, there'd be a chance of getting spotted, so I'm not really bothering with the evidence at this point. Here, oh yeah, just go through the door. Okay, sorry, not quite the end of the level yet. I thought, oh right, I forgot. There's one more section to this level. I forgot about. Some more loud booms. Okay, yeah, here's the end of this section, and then yeah, we have one more section of the level before the final confrontation.
This is Rabbit. I'm at the checkpoint, setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get position.
So I'm gonna hide here, wait for the sniper to move. I'm gonna slip in behind him. Based on the sounds, it seems like the ICA is once again taking a maximum carnage approach to try and hunt down one small-town sheriff.
Alpha team, what's your status? Over.
Which, on the one hand, does, you know, make them seem powerful. Obviously, they have all this force they can bring to bear. But on the other hand, also kind of makes them look incompetent. Like, Skurky is literally one guy. Not clear that he requires such a disproportionate response.
Skylight, I have a visual on the town sheriff. Moving towards the church. Take him out.
I decided to switch to the sniper gear. Might have been better to stick with the other disguise, but actually I don't know if it matters. I think no matter what disguise you get, everyone can see through everything. Yeah, oh yeah, waiting for a good opportunity to slip by here. Taking advantage, you know, hiding in cover wherever possible. And again, waiting until the guards move into out of position so I can sneak by.
Please, sir, behave in an orderly fashion.
Ah, yeah, and here, now, I really am close to the end of the level, and I am just going to burn instinct until I make it to the final showdown. And here we are. We are going to confront Sherriff Skurky in the church over here and take him down. This scene is very, very much the opposite of stealth. It's a very public execution, which is sort of typical for Hitman Absolution, but does feel out of place in a Hitman game. So we finally caught up with Skurky.
He's got a gun. Oh, he's
were openly carrying in the church.
Do something! Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move!
You're a coward, Sheriff Skurky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Yeah, it turns into a hostage situation. So we use point shooting. Just need to get a quick headshot. Take him down. And that's the end of Sherriff Skurky. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.